Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels Car Culture Japan Historics 4. This case came directly from Stop Diecast. Thank you, Stop Diecast, for supporting the OTD YouTube channel and OrangeTrackDiecast.com. There's been a huge rate of success from One Stop Diecast cases of Japan Historics 4 in terms of getting the chase. So I'm very, very, very excited to pop this open and see what we get. All right. So, first car out of the case is the Mazda RX-3. So one thing to note, if you didn't know already, the Japan Historics 4 packaging features the name of the vehicle in Japanese at the bottom. You can find the actual name, or well, not the actual name, but the English name on the back. So, but very cool feature, something noteworthy of the packaging. So, and then we also kind of have some ghosted logos here. So we have the Japan Historics 4 logo and the Liberty Walk. So this is actually a replica of the Liberty Walk Mazda RX-3. So the actual Liberty Walk one does look a little bit different, but considering that this is an existing Mazda RX-3 casting, this is a pretty good representation of that Liberty Walk car. So, and then if you recall, Japan Historics 1, Japan Historics 2, and Japan Historics 3, they all feature some sort of cherry blossom motif in the background. So that carries forward to the fourth rendition of this series. So 2 of the Mazda RX-3 in this case. A casting I actually collect, so that is great to see. So we should have 2 of every car in the case, unless we have the chase, which would be the Prince Skyline. Again, One Stop Diecast has reported that there's been a huge rate of success, so I am very excited to see if we do indeed get one in this case. All right, the next car out of the case is number 3 of 5. It is the Nissan Fairlady Z, as you can see there. This one should look very familiar to some people. Others will have to just simply look it up. There's a name in Japanese. It's got a dark blue kind of paint to it. So interesting kind of dark blue. Is that a gloss? Yeah, that's like a gloss paint. So I guess a little, is that dust? Yeah. All right. So this is actually, what, the second time we've seen this casting in the series? Just like the Mazda RX-3, we've seen that one 3 times. So 3 of the 4 have had the Mazda RX-3 in it. All right, so I see the prints here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There is the chase. One Stop Diecast comes through. Very nice. Awesome. Glad to finally score a chase. All right. 64 Prince Skyline GT. So this car went toe-to-toe with some Porsches back in the day. And gained a name for itself, and along with it, kind of gained a name for Prince, which would later become the Nissan Skyline. So this is actual replica of that car that went toe-to-toe with Porsche. All right, look at that, all the decals in there. So then we have the chase version of the car in black. So just a very simple black version of the car. No roundel with the number 39 in there. No GT2. We do get the, what is it, the Skyline insignia right there. And then, yeah, the detail on the back. You get the side stripe. So just a very nice, elegant black chase there. Wow, okay, great. So cross that one off the list. Whew. All right, new casting alert. So this new casting, if I recall correctly, was actually designed by a longtime designer, Phil Reelman. The 72 Toyota Corolla 11, right? Or Levine? 11. 72 Toyota Corolla 11 in orange. So this is actually very reminiscent of the Japan Historics 2 Mazda RX-3, right? Yeah, very similar in terms of the color and whatnot, but this is a brand new casting. So it's good to see some new blood in here along with the Prince Skyline. I think those are the only two new castings. Correct. Yeah, those are only two castings that we're seeing for the first time. It gets the gray Watanabe style rims on there. The Real Rider 8-spoke rims, which look great on just about every Japanese car, I would say. All right, so last out of the case is the 73 Honda Civic Custom, right? Yeah, the 73 Honda Civic Custom in red. So this car actually gets its premium debut here. Oh, why these cars are so dusty. There we go. Clean that off for you there. But the 73 Honda Civic Custom gets its premium debut here. So we got the gray rims there, got the gray rims there, solid colors. Very nice. And then we obviously get the Prince Skyline, and the chase is solid. Got racing deco, vintage Japanese racing deco there. And then, yeah, two returning castings in the Mazda RX-3 and the Nissan Fairlady Z. So, great set. This might actually be one of my favorite Japanese historic set, right? Or am I just still on a high from pulling the chase? That could be that too. But regardless, great set. Let's talk in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Which one's your favorite out of the set? Did you get a case, and did you pull the chase? We'll talk there. Thanks for watching.